Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Takeoff RDC. Today we are going to unbox this Flysky CT6B transmitter and receiver. So this is a 6-channel transmitter having the receiver inside the box. So now let's open this up. So inside the box there is the transmitter remote, and then there is the receiver, cable to connect your transmitter to PC, and this software to configure and program the transmitter. Now let's see the transmitter and the receiver. So this is the Flysky CT6B receiver. It comes with RDC receiver having 6 channels and also one for battery. Okay, so there is also the binding clip that should be used to bind the transmitter and the receiver. So we need to connect it like this, and then we can bind this with the transmitter. So now let's come to the transmitter and let's see what are the specifications of this transmitter. As you can see, this is a RC transmitter that can use for aeroplanes, gliders, helicopters and some other radio control systems. We can see there are a lot more of buttons on it. Here is the trainer kit so that we can connect it to the computer. This is the battery terminal, and there are 6 channels. This is channel 1, this is called as aileron. This is channel 2 called as elevator. This is channel 3 called as throttle, and this is channel 4 called rudder. So there are also 2 channel knobs to control the sides of this is channel 5 and this is channel 6. Then there are 2 on-off buttons so that we can throttle cut or throttle open. We can do all this with these buttons. There are also this clip. They are called as there are 4 buttons called as trimmer buttons. These are used to trim your like for example, if we take a quadcopter, and sometimes you can see that quadcopter is not parallel to ground, it is just slightly tilt and makes an angle. So to avoid that, we use these trim buttons. Then there is another button, you can see bind range test. Bind range test button used when we are binding the transmitter and the receiver with this by using this clip. So now also there is one on off button. If you can see, there is an indicator over here, high, mid and low. If this indicates your battery life, if you can see green light, then battery is high. If this should be orange color, then your battery is middle position, and if there is red, then you can understand that you need to change your battery. So this is all about your CT6B transmitter.